also the steps to success. It means different things to different people. As per, if you strictly go with the Oxford Dictionary, it is nothing but the accomplishment of your aim or purpose or goal in life. And in the normal parlance, what happens is, we define success by the things we have rather than by the people we become. One piece of advice is that we should not focus too much on these possessions. What I mean is, we shouldn't get slave to these possessions, because then it rules us. Then I would say that is a platform for stagnancy. That inner development is very necessary if you want to excel in your exterior life. Very often in our daily situations, many things we don't like, but whether we like it or not, we have to face the reality, is it not? Then when you are in such a situation, what is very important for each one of us to understand, whether you should respond to a situation or whether you should react to a situation. To respond. If you are going to react, then you generally only drift. You have to observe your thought patterns which goes on in your life, even in the normal life. But that is strengthening your inner self. Self-talk. It goes on. We keep on rattling within our mind. It is self-defeating. You have to be honest to yourself with your pattern of thought that goes on in the mind. You have to identify your blind spots and you have to strengthen it. What you are afraid of, face it headlong. The first and foremost is you must dare to dream. We have many realms of choicelessness, let me tell you. Our birth, our parents, our country, our circumstances, our upbringing, everything is, I have no hold on it. I have no choice. Is it not? Do I have? No. So there's a respond or react. You must do it wisely. Whole of life is nothing but making choices, decision on the choices. And when you make a decision on the choice, you also decide on the outcome of it. When I meant choicelessness, I told you many factors where we don't have choice. So when we are in that realm of choicelessness, why not choose to live? This is not sufficient to be good enough. And excellence is always a moving target to work in teams. Very often we fail to do that. We don't gel well with our team members. And challenges today are so complex that no individual can accomplish anything alone. A self-confident person will always share. A person who has complex, who is not confident of himself, is the only person who will not share. And never quit what you set for yourself. Multitasking is order of the day. So poor management of time only leads to the difference between the winners and the losers in today's era. And never procrastinate. That's the biggest obstacles too. We always tend to delay matter, decision which can be taken now. We will say we will take it in the evening, and what can be done in the night, we'll say we'll do it in the morning. That's a poor management of time. I wish all of you great success, and I'm sure that coming out of the school, all of you will have a great time ahead in your career. And I wish you all well and all the best.